There might be a bird in here. They're acting like there is. Wow, their cover looks terrible today. Hang on. Oh yeah. Whoa. Ready, Corey? Get up here. Whoa. Shiloh, whoa. Whoa. Don't shoot it on the ground.
As you can see here, some of the cover in the areas out there is not doing so good after winter. Pretty laid down.
Did you shoot?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, good.
I hit it the second time for sure.
Here's another one. So just wait. Fetch him up, Shiloh. Hand. Fetch him up. Hold. Shiloh. Hold. Oliver, come. Hold. Hold. Shiloh. Hold. Hold. Oliver, come. Oliver, come. Shiloh. Good girl. Come on, Shiloh. You ready, Corey?
Yeah.
Nice shot. Good girl, Shies, come. Hold. 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 Whoa, go over there. Whoa. Whoa. Where is it, guys? What were you pointing? Did it run? Oh yeah.
Good boy. Oh, he got it.
Nope, she got it.
Ollie. Good boy.
Come on, Shiloh. Hold. Hold.
Good boy, Ollie.
Come on. Hold. Hand. There we go.
So after the retrieval on that bird, you could kind of say all hell broke loose here. Two birds end up getting pushed down the other end of the field. Then after that, we ended up having another one that was out in front of us that we're going to get here in a second. So a total of 4 birds right here in this one little area that we were working in.
Hold on.
One up here to what? Right straight ahead.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Shiloh, whoa. 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 Get him, Corey.
Two I've missed.
Did you see how Corey?
Yeah.
Come on, Shies. Hold, 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 hold. Good girl.
That's why we...
Oh, that's a big old bird, dude. Oliver, come, Shiloh.
I gotta get rid of this water jug. Hang on.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, that's a good job.
Good. Come here, guys.
How many birds were behind that tree? 3?
3. All roosters, too. Did one of them just fly a little ways?
Yeah.
Okay, the other one flew away.
Be okay.
You can go drop them off at the truck, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to when we get over here.
Go back.
Oliver with a nice little point here and Shiloh backing.
Yeah, you missed that.
Corey kind of comes in behind him and pushes Oliver a little too soon. But if you watch him in this clip, this kind of gives you an idea of why sometimes you really need to wait on your shot to make sure that the dog isn't jumping at the bird, because it happens quite often.
I think he's got one in here too. They're both acting. Oh, yep, there's a bird right there. You ready? Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, I want a picture. Hang on. You guys wait.
Yep, whoa. 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 Whoa.
Oh, he's jumping.
Nice shot, kid. Way to wait on that bird too. Nice job.
Yeah, I seen him jump, man.
Yep. Fetch her up, Shies. Come on. Come on, Shiloh. Fetch him up.
Can't waste too many shells.
Come on, Shies. Hold, hold, hold. Good girl. I think we got 5 already, yeah.
Half our birds on that run.
Yeah.
This bird's a little too low at first, and Corey does the right thing by waiting. And when you have to wait on a shot like that, sometimes it causes you to miss.
Come on, guys.
Get him. Oh, I didn't want to shoot. It was so low.
He is? Where is he? Oliver's pointing. Whoa! Whoa! Shiloh, come. Oliver, whoa! Shiloh! Shiloh. You see it? Shiloh. He does, obviously.
This bird ends up flushing literally right out in front of Corey, and let's just say he gets all of it.
Right under that down tree leg.
Whoa. Okay. Good boy, Ollie. Get him. Get the bird. Woohoo! Come on, Shies. Hand. Here you go, Shies.
Good boy, Ollie.
Hold, hold, hold. Good girl. Oh, yeah.
Good boy, Oliver.
Nice job, Corey.
I thought I was going to have to punch that thing in the beak.
That's awesome. Good boy, Ollie. Nice job. Whoa. Oliver, whoa. Shiloh. He's locked up on something.
Once I seen where this bird was on the ground, I kind of went in around the back side of it, trying to push it towards Corey so Corey would get a shot. Ended up getting a shot myself. Couldn't get my gun off safety at first.
It's got to be right here. Oh, yeah. Hang on, hang on. Let me walk around the other way. You stay where you're at. Tara, come on back here. You got a picture of that? You ready, Corey?
Oh, coming your way, Wayne.
Running.
Get him.
I couldn't get my gun off safety.
That was a beaut.
I couldn't get my gun off safety. Fetch her up, Shiloh.
Didn't even get a picture, but
Yes.
Was it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, girl. Another good point by Oliver. Come on, Ollie.
good boy.
That was beautiful.
Good boy.
Girl, good boy.
Come here, Shiloh. Hand. Hey, Shiloh. Shiloh, hold.
Like medium?
She sometimes does that a little bit. I don't like it when she does it though. Another good rooster. Here you go.
Yeah, that was a nice deep shot. Too.
Heck yeah.
Squirrels taunt the dogs back home daily.
Get him
So
out
this
there,
little
Ollie.
chipmunk that looks like a squirrel, well,
You just seen a freaking
dogs are going to
gopher
try
or
to get
something.
him too.
That could be.
Could be just a critter.
They hate squirrels. There's something in there.
Yeah, it's a gopher, man.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just seen a gopher.
Well, that was one hell of a point, Ollie.
I don't think there's a bird in there.
You never know. They're like, come on, help a guy out here. There it goes. Ah! It is a squirrel. Forget it. There's the squirrel up the tree right there. That's funny. The squirrel's right above you.
He's still looking in there, though.
Yeah, it's a squirrel or a little red squirrel or a chipmunk. It's a chipmunk. No, they were after that chipmunk in the tree. See him up there?
You got one in your pouch?
Yep, there goes one. There goes one. Corey, wait, don't shoot. Wait till they get it up again, Corey. Let them get it up again.
So we needed one last bird to get to 10. We put 10 out today. Shiloh decided to get this one on her own. No shot needed.
Hang on. She get it? She got the bird. Good girl, Shiloh. Good girl. Hold. Hold.
Holy shit.
He caught it?
Yeah, I didn't even touch it.
Good girl. Good girl. Hold. Good girl. Hey now, that's alive. Good girl. Good girl.
She's so fast.
Yeah.
She,
Well, he stopped and then started coming back towards me.
Did she get it on the ground or did she jump up?
Yeah, no, on the ground.
Oh, that's hilarious. Well, there's your 10th bird.
Yep. Didn't even have to shoot it.
Nope.
Holy shit.
There's a nice
Gotta work
rooster.
out there.
Here you go. Put that one in your pouch.
Yep. Made me run for it.
Shiloh got her own bird. Good girl. Well, we put 10 out. We got our 10.
Oliver.
Good boy, Ollie. Huh, Shiloh?
Good girl. You get the birds? Yeah.